Welcome to Countryfile Live!
I'm getting busy in the summertime.
Coming up! We're at Castle Howard and we're giving away free bacon sandwiches to people coming to the Countryfile Live show. First 500 cards, 1,000 sandwiches, and you can see there's loads of people here. It's going great.
If you're going to host a garden party like this one, you need a big garden. And that's what Castle Howard's got. 500 stallholders, demos galore, a fun fair and plenty of guests.
We've had a few years of Countryfile Live down south and they've been amazing fun, loads of energy, but also for us uniquely getting to meet our viewers. So when we're out filming, there's only 4 of us in a field. It's really nice to get a sense that you're making something for an audience and you're getting to chat with them.
All the Countryfile team are here and celeb spotting's all part of the fun. But the real stars of the show have to be the animals.
We have dogs that turn up that we know what they're going to do, but when we get the novices that we've never seen before, then they could do anything, and that's what makes it entertaining because it's unpredictable.
And if the animals are having fun, just look at the humans.
From Yorkshire's biggest new event. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Cathy Killick, BBC North, Castle Howard.